we have a special announcement to make about the Michigan Landlord and Real Estate Investor Annual Conference and Expo for 2022. It's going to be happening this February, Thursday and Friday, February 24th and 25th, right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, at the DeVos Place Conference Center. And it's going to be live and in person this year. So you can go to rpoaonline.org to register and find out more. And I'm here today with one of our national featured speakers, Anthony Chara. And Anthony's topic is going to be exponentially growing your wealth with multifamily and apartments. And Anthony is here to tell us a little bit about it. Anthony?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Brian. And I appreciate RPOA inviting me back again to present to your members. It's fantastic.
Well, you've been a very popular featured speaker in the past, and we're thrilled to have you back. Tell us a little bit about your topic. What can people expect?
Sure. Well, right now, apartments are going gangbusters all across the country. As a matter of fact, when I was there at RPOA about 3 years ago, I told everybody at the RPOA conference that Grand Rapids was actually getting ready to explode, and it has. So prices have gone up, cap rates have gone down. There's a lot of people that if they took my advice, they've made a lot of money in multifamily investing over the last 3 years. And I don't see that slowing down anytime in the next 2 to 3 to 4 years going out, because there's so much pent up demand for places for people to live that it's going to continue on this hot track for, like I said, the next foreseeable 3, 4, 5 years. And I think this would be a great reason for your members to come to RPOA to learn about how to invest in apartments and multifamily.
Yeah, I could not agree more with you about Grand Rapids exploding. And I remember you saying that 3 years ago. And I know I certainly listened to you.
Well, that makes one person.
Yeah, I'm sure there are others too. I know a whole bunch who did. Anyway, tell our listeners, I mean, this is going to be live. So this is not going to be a virtual conference. It's going to be live. Why do people in Grand Rapids or anyone who can travel to Grand Rapids, February 24th and 25th, why should they absolutely be there in the audience to hear you speak?
Yeah, great question. So whether it's them coming to see me or learn from me about multifamily or some of the other great speakers that RPOA is going to have at the conference, there's no better way to network and interface with other people than in person and face to face. This isn't just about coming and learning from people like me. It's also about meeting other people that you could potentially partner with. People that have deals that maybe you can partner with them, or maybe you have a deal and you're looking for partners. That's actually one of the big things that I teach with my apartment investing is that it can take a lot of money to get into one of these deals. And if you don't have it, that doesn't mean that you should be sitting on the sidelines. You should be finding a way to get that money by partnering with other people to get in the game.
There's always a lot of single family investors in the RPOA and at these conferences. Are you going to show them why they should also be considering apartments and what the experience is, how it differs and how you can make a lot more profits?
Yes, I will be showing them that. As a matter of fact, one of the things that I've convinced a lot of my single family home buyers to do is to jump into the multifamily arena, because they're not taking advantage of exponentially growing their wealth, just like the title of the topic, right? How to exponentially grow your wealth with apartments. You can make some great cash flow with single family homes, but again, it's just a single family home. So do you want to go out and buy 10 single family homes, or would you rather buy one 10-unit apartment building? It's about the same amount of effort to buy one 10-unit apartment building as it is to buy one single family home. But now you have to go out and do it 10 times if you're buying single family homes. 10 closings, 10 loans, 10 everything, as opposed to a closing with an apartment complex. The other big thing that I teach a lot of my students, especially if they've been doing fix and flips, why are you doing one unit at a time when you can do 10, 20, 30 at a time? And one of the things that I'll show when I'm there at RPOA is how, again, you can exponentially grow your wealth. So instead of thinking small, start thinking bigger and get out of the one-on-one or one by one by one by one by one mentality of buying single families and start multiplying that, buying 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 units at a time. And even for people that say, well, I can't do that, I don't have the money, you can get the money. If you find a great deal, the money will find you. And there's ways that you can raise money. As a matter of fact, we're in the middle of a $4 million raise, and we raised $3 million like that, which I was shocked, quite frankly, because we've raised a lot of money in the past, but it was literally within a couple of weeks, we had raised $3 million for the current deal that we're working on. So the money is out there. There are people who have the funds and the funds are sitting on the sideline. And if you can hook up with those people and show them your deal and how they're going to be better off investing with you than letting it sit in the bank, you could be buying 50, 100 unit properties.
Okay. Well, Anthony, I cannot wait to hear you speak. You're going to be speaking Friday, February 25th in the afternoon around 3:00. This is at Michigan Landlord and Real Estate Investor Annual Conference and Expo for 2022. It's happening Thursday and Friday, February 24th and 25th of 2022, right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan at the DeVos Place Conference Center. You can go to rpoaonline.org to register and find out more. Thank you very much, Anthony. I look forward to seeing you soon.
Thanks, Brian. I'm enjoying the fact that I'm coming back again for the third time. So it's going to be awesome.